Hey guys, I want to do a simple walkthrough here on the digital cluster system right over here in the Audi A6. This is for a lot of the Audi sedan models, but we're going to specifically be in this Audi A6. So right over here, we got this really beautiful digital cluster system. It's very fancy, definitely has a good look to it. You've got the navigations right now that we're looking at, but with the touch of these buttons, you're actually able to go and navigate through it. So we got the telephone, we got the Audi smartphone interface, and the consumption. So this is like the really easy, simple method of looking through these. But you also have a dial that you can use. You can go through the different memories and consumption rates, so on and so forth. So we'll check it out real quick. So we got consumption, we got short-term memory, we also have long-term memory, energy consumers, and driver assistance. So the OK button is used for resetting the values here for short-term memory and long-term memory. Really easy to use when it comes to that part. And if you want to check out the trip computer, you can actually just press this button. You can check those things out too. And I'm pretty sure if we continue to go to each and every one of these different interfaces, we can click on these and it might show us more about it. So for telephone, you actually have a memory list as well. If we go to navigation, you can check out the map. So we got last destination, favorites, map orientation, and automatic zoom with map content. So really easy to use when it comes to that feature. And we can actually just go back real quick and let's press view. So this is kind of cool. So right now we have a different interface that we can work with as well. So basically here on the vehicle, let's go to settings, let's go to display and brightness, and we're gonna have the virtual cockpit. So this is what it's called. It's called the virtual cockpit. And we have, right now we're in the dynamic view, and we can actually go to classic. So let's just change that real quick. So now we have a different view on here, a classic view. And this viewing mode right over here is able to change that as well. So you can increase the amount that the navigation has on the configuration in this screen. We can press it again, and we can just have the dials bigger. And if we want to configure it, you can actually check out that you can customize and configure this thing to basically anything that you would really need. So let's go to driving time. We can actually focus on that. So you got driving time over there. Let's go distance driven. You got date. We can go to consumption daily, so on and so forth. So you could change these things to however you need to. Let's go to sport and let's check that out as well. Here we have the sport mode. As you can tell, the dial is a little bit different. So I'm pretty sure it is a little different, right? Yeah, so the dial is going to be a little bit different, a little bit more sporty, with the red being a little bit more visible. We can check it out right over here again, pressing that view mode. There we go. So yeah, basically with this, the purpose of it is to allow for more customization on the user. And not only that, but it just looks really beautiful. I know for sure that, like, for my Volkswagen Tiguan, I have mechanical dials on it. It's an older model. And something that, like, when I see this, definitely is a bit more engaging, allows me to understand the vehicle a little bit more, and has a lot more features that I can have at the touch of my fingers right over here. Right at my fingers, I can just use this on the infotainment display or on the digital cluster display. So if you're wanting to learn more about the virtual cockpit and other features about this vehicle, go on down to our YouTube channel, and we have plenty of different features that we can go through and a walkthrough on this specific vehicle. So if you want to learn more, go down over there or to our website, and we'll see you guys in the next video.